Are you tired of struggling to lose weight? Well, today we have an ultimate guide that will change the way you approach weight loss forever. Get ready for our top 7 tips on how to effortlessly shed those extra pounds while enjoying the benefits of a vegan diet. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Jacob and this is Vegan Life. If you're looking to lose weight and adopt a healthy lifestyle, going vegan can be a fantastic choice. Not only does it promote weight loss, but it's also great for your overall well-being. Today, we'll share 7 amazing tips that will help you achieve effortless weight loss on a vegan diet. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Fill up on fiber-rich foods. One of the secrets to losing weight effortlessly on a vegan diet is consuming fiber-rich foods. These include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing your hunger and preventing overeating. Plus, it aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping your cravings at bay. 2. Choose nutrient-dense foods. When following a vegan diet, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods. Opt for foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and tofu, which are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. These foods will provide your body with the necessary nutrients while keeping your calorie intake in check. 3. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for weight loss. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By being present and mindful while eating, you can avoid mindless snacking and better control portion sizes. And before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to the channel, because this way you will help many other people lose weight, not to mention that you will receive content like this every day. 4. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in weight loss. Drinking an adequate amount of water not only keeps you hydrated but also helps suppress appetite and boost metabolism. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day to ensure you stay hydrated and support your weight loss goals. 5. Incorporate regular physical activity. While diet is essential, combining it with regular physical activity can amplify your weight loss efforts. Engage in activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, dancing, or yoga. Find a routine that fits your lifestyle, and gradually increase the intensity and duration as you progress. 6. Plan your meals and snacks. Planning your meals and snacks in advance is a key strategy for successful weight loss on a vegan diet. By prepping your meals ahead of time, you can ensure you have healthy options readily available, preventing impulsive food choices and potential overeating. 7. Seek the aid of a healthy supplement. The most important thing is that you maintain a good diet, with essential nutrients for your body, linked to effective physical activities. However, a good supplement based on 100% natural ingredients can greatly speed up the process. So it is interesting that you seek some option in the market. And if you are interested in boosting your weight loss, I highly recommend Alpilean, a supplement based on natural ingredients that has helped thousands of people lose weight. Alpilean is indeed the new darling of the market. In case you want to know more about this supplement, I will leave a video in the description of this video here for you to check all the details. By following these 7 tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals while enjoying the numerous health benefits of a vegan lifestyle. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and embracing a balanced approach. And I also made an amazing video explaining why a vegan diet is the best option for you to lose weight. I'll leave it on the final screen and in the description of this video here for you to check. Comment below if you have any more tips for those who want to lose weight healthily. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.